Good morning, class. My name is Miss Logan, and I'll be your physical education teacher for today. My signal for attention is my whistle. When you hear this, I ask that you please stop what you're doing, place your equipment at your feet, and face me for further instruction. Now today, we will be continuing with our touch rugby unit, and we will be focusing on the pop pass. If we can get through the lesson today and everyone does a good job, the following class we're going to start with a new lesson, and then the following class we're going to start in with our touch rugby gameplay. Okay? So the difference between the pop pass and the regular pass is when a defender is coming at you and your teammate or your partner is really close to you, you're just going to pop them the ball. So you're essentially leaving it in the air for them, and they're just going to grab it out of the air and they're going to take off down the field. So with a regular pass, you know that you're staggered, they're further away, you step, you bring the ball to your hip, you extend, and you snap your wrist. But this, since they're so close, you're just going to pop it. So Rudy, can I have you? So Rudy's going to be behind me. The defender's coming at me. I turn to him. I just pop it up in the air. Okay? So, thank you. So I have 4 cues that I want you to focus on today. The first one is the turn. So if your partner or your teammate is coming on your right side, your left, my right, you're going to turn your hips. You're not going to step. We're taking the step away. So you're rotating your hips this way, left, my left, your right, if they're coming this way. Second is eyes. Eyes is going to be very important today. It's going to be our means of communication. You can still yell ball to let them know you're coming, but you always want to make sure that you make eye contact with your teammate or your partner. Second is fingertips. We want the ball to be in our fingertips like this. Thumbs are going to be pointed up, and we're going to have the ball in our fingertips. Because what we're going to do is you're just going to pop your fingertips out. So everyone do that. Just pop it up. That's all it is. Okay? So, Rudy, can you go over here again, please? So I turn to him, he's coming, I turn, I make eye contact because we both know what's going on. Ball's in my fingertips and I just pop it up. That's all I'm gonna do. So do it over here again. He's coming, I turn, eye contact, pop it up. And one more time. He's coming on my left now, so I turn, eye contact, pop it up. Okay? Now, when we go into our drill, this is what it's gonna look like. You're going to be in groups of 2 at each one of the cones. One person's going to start at the far cone, and the other person's going to start the middle cone with the ball. Rudy's going to run towards me, and the person with the ball is always going to face this wall, the wall with the clock. So you're going to face the wall. Rudy's going to run towards me, and as he's coming, I'm going to turn, eye contact, I'm going to pop it. Now when I pop it, I don't want it to, can I see that? I don't want to pop it so high, because what's going to happen is if the defender's coming at me and I pop it that high, he's going to pick up what I'm doing and the pass is going to be ineffective. You don't want to pass it too low either because you don't want Rudy to have to bend down and then stand back up. You just want to leave it right in the air, so try to pop it about eye level. Okay, so he comes, I turn, I make eye contact, I pop it. He's going to run to the other cone. I'm going to follow him. Once he gets down to this cone, he's going to go back to the middle cone, and then I'm going to start going back this way. So I'm going to go back, he's going to pop it to me, and I run, and that's how it's going to work. You're going to be continuous with your partner. Now, safety statement. Besides communication, we want to use our eyes, because if you're not looking at your partner and you pop them the ball and they don't know what's coming, if the ball has a lot of air in it, it's going to hit them in the head and it's not going to feel very good. So you want to make sure you're using your eyes for communication and for safety. Second, when I say place the ball on the ground, I literally mean place it on the ground. Rugby ball is just like a football. If you drop it, it's going to go end over end. It's going to go all over the gym. Just place it on the ground. And then if a ball comes into your area, pick it up and return it to the next, whoever it came from. Okay? So who can tell me the importance of eyes? Abby?
You want to make eye contact with your partner so you make
Yes, very important for communication. And what part of the ball are we using our hands for? What part of our hands are we using on the ball? Mo?
Fingertips.
Fingertips, very important. That's all we're using. Our thumbs guide and our fingertips, we just pop the ball. And then when I blow my whistle, what are you going to do with the rugby ball? Jesse? Place it down, all right? So when I say go, come up here. Your groups are listed right here, and it says cone 1 through 8 next to your name. Cone 1 is the far cone, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to 8. Okay? Ready? Go.
My partner is not here today.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You're 15? Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here and you can stay in this group with Jesse, and all you're gonna do is wait here. So when Jesse pops the ball, he's gonna run down, and then when he gets the ball and he comes back to this cone, he's just gonna hand it off to you, and then you're gonna give it to Jesse coming back this way. Okay. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. Okay. Go ahead, guys. There you go, Mo. Good talk. Nice pop, Jake. That's how you pop the ball. Ooh, a little too high, Allison. Remember, eye level. You don't want to pop it too high up. Good hustle, Brooke. Here we go. There you go, David. Little too high, Rob. Remember, try to just pop it a little bit. Little pop. Here you go, Mr. Rake. Just wait until he gets to the middle cone and then start again. Don't just continuously go. Just wait a second. Remember to make eye contact. Let me see a good pop, Emily. Let me see it. Remember, fingertips. Just push it up with your fingertips. Don't so much push it. Okay, what I'm seeing is, can I see your ball, Rob? The most common thing I'm seeing is you're still kind of like passing the ball up. Remember, we're just popping. Just pop the ball. So instead of pushing it up like this, pop it. All right? Let's try that. Let's focus on that. Go ahead. Good job. That's how you do it. Way to go. Good eye contact, David. There you go, Mo. There you go, bro. Remember, Emily, you have to follow him down here after you pass the ball, okay? Good eye contact, Allison. Good communication. There you go, Rob. Remember to make eye contact, Kate. All right, can everyone place your rugby ball in the center of the gym and then come back over here where we first gathered? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. It's okay, Brooke. It's okay. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, good job today, guys. I saw a lot of good things. Who can tell me the difference between when you would use a pop pass and when you would use a regular pass? Mo?
You want to use a regular pass when you're kind of further away from your partner or teammate, and a pop pass is kind of when you're close and they're behind you.
Right, pop pass is when your partner, your teammate's really close to you and you're just gonna leave it up in the air for them, they're gonna get it and take off. Regular pass, you're doing all the cues with the hip, step, extend, your wrists, and you're getting it all the way down to them. Okay, so next class we're gonna talk about the spin pass, all right? Good job today, guys.